right, guys, it is time for our spelling pre-test for Monday, April 6th. We are doing hard and soft G this week. All right, let's get started. So, number 1 is game. They played a game when they were at home. Game. Number 2 is goal. He scored a goal at his soccer game. Goal. Number 3 is rag. He used a dirty rag to clean up the mess. Rag. Number 4 is good. You all did a good job doing online school last week. Good. Number 5 is gap. There was a gap in between the two mountains. Gap. Number 6 is goose. The goose came and stole my sandwich. Goose. Number 7 is gas. I need to put gas in my car. Number 8 is gym. We played basketball in the gym. Gym. Number 9 is giant. The man was a giant compared to the kid. Giant. Number 10 is magic. The magician did a magic trick that was really cool. Magic. Number 11 is age. The bigger your age, the older you are. Age. Number 12 is huge. That turtle is huge. Huge. Number 13 is cage. The cage was meant for the bird. Cage. Number 14 is germ. A germ can make us sick. Germ. And number 15 is page. Please turn the page. Page. All right, guys, I'm going to review them one more time. You guys can obviously rewind and go back. But number 1 is game. 2 is goal. 3 is rag. 4 is good. 5 is gap. 6 is goose. 7, gas. 8, gym. 9, giant. 10, magic. 11, age. 12, huge. 13, cage. 14, germ. And 15 is page. All right, guys, go ahead and go over to Teams and check your answers.